The American Cancer Society Relay for Life is the signature activity that the American Cancer Society uses in communities all across the country to raise money for the fight against cancer. We exist in 4,900 communities in the United States and are now the largest fundraising event anywhere in the world. We fund a lot of research that helps find all different types of cures and treatments. We educate people about the causes of cancer, the screenings that they need to get to make sure that they find cancer early when it's most treatable. We do a lot of work with advocacy and our legislators on the local, state, and federal levels. And then we provide very tangible patient and family services in all of the communities. We have used technology in a number of ways for quite a few years now, but just in the last year, we really changed how we're utilizing technology to work with our volunteers. And what we did was create a social networking community to allow them to share information with each other about how to best run events, how to raise money, to connect with each other about their personal cancer stories, and generally to come together in their support of the American Cancer Society. My husband was diagnosed when he was only 24 years old with cancer. Working here for the American Cancer Society makes me really feel like I'm doing something to give back to all the people who raised money and did all the research that helped save my husband's life.
If we get a group like the American Cancer Society and the other groups that were before us today, they act like a multiplier. What they can do is combine the energy of all of us and take what we're trying to do individually, group it together, and make even more of an impact on those in need in our community.
MedShare collects surplus medical supplies from area hospitals and from manufacturers and distributors. And we sort it and distribute it to needy hospitals and clinics in third world countries. Technology has made a huge impact because the whole basic premise of the MedShare model is to ship only what recipients need. And so we use technology so that the recipient can go online and be able to order exactly what they want. And that's one of the things actually that our system does, is it gives our donors the confidence of what we do so that they'll donate again for a follow-up container shipment to a given hospital. I was actually in Tanzania on vacation and went to visit one of the recipient hospitals, and I asked the director of the hospital, what impact do we really have? And he said, well, let me tell you, that shipment from MedShare that just arrived, it has sutures on it. He said several weeks before the MedShare shipment arrived, we actually had to cancel surgeries, turn people away, because we didn't have sterile sutures to be able to sew them up. To know that the work I'm doing actually can lead to saving lives is just unbelievably gratifying.
In the end, it's about making our community a better place to live. And by leveraging technology and utilizing the services of TechBridge, it helps lift up those organizations, thereby making it a better place of where we work and live.
Southwest Christian Care. We give quality health care to all the terminally ill. We don't charge for our services, and we don't take Medicare and Medicaid. We're able to keep those patients for the extended length of whenever they come. If you think about families that are going through chemo or going through any illness, they are usually exhausted emotionally, spiritually, physically, and we're able to give them support in their health care. We're able to give them support through spiritual care. We're able to give them support in their emotional state and even socially. We feel very blessed and very thankful that we're in the finalists. The greatest thing that would be able to help us do is to enhance or improve our webpage, to put in more information, to be able to have the resources to let people know about us and what we've done and how we've cared for their families. It changes all of our lives when we come and serve the people and are able to allow Christ to work through us to extend our care and our love to these people that come when they need it the most.
Having been a finalist, having won the award, and having a year now to see what has happened with our technology and how the award has helped us, you get really excited for the next organization coming up.